Welcome. In front of me is an ALCATEL U5 HD, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, find the toggle, which is right over here for me. And when you find it, what you want to do is hold it. This will take you to the settings where we can actually customize it a little bit. So we have things like priority only allows. When we click on it, it gives us a couple different options. So we have reminders, events, messages and calls. Now messages and calls have the same settings, so you can allow them from anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one, with the little difference, calls having also this checkbox right here. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will be actually able to call you no matter what the setting right here is. So if they call twice, they will completely bypass any kind of settings set here. So none, doesn't matter if they call twice, they will still be able to call you, even though no one should be. So select whichever ones you want for this. Going back, we have also automatic rules, which will allow you to set up a literal schedule to it, so it will turn on and off automatically at a given day of the week and the time. And block visual disturbances, so it just allows you to block notifications and pop-ups. Now once you have set up everything that you want from here, all you need to do now is simply tap on the toggle itself to turn it on. And once you tap on it, it gives you two options. So until you turn it off, or for a given amount of hours, which you can click on the plus to add more or subtract if you wanted to. So this is the manual turn on. So if you want to turn it on yourself, you can just click it, choose one out of the two settings, and you're done. From there you can tap on it again to turn it off. And if you have set up a schedule, then you literally don't need to do anything. It will turn on and off on its own. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.